The cruise liner industry is one of the fastest growing tourism sectors globally. Westgrow says the economic impact of the 2020-2021 cruise season not opening in October could be huge. It says the number of tour vessels visiting Cape Town have increased since the second half of 2017. The rand value spent by docked vessels amounts to millions. Westgrow says once the ship docks, a range of other industries also benefit.
The value or the rand value spent by these cruise vessels that were docked there is roughly 2 million rand, and this was largely spent by the crew members, and the highest areas that they spent it on was the hotels, the handling and processing, the transport and the meals for the crews. What I also want to highlight is the fact that this doesn't include terminal charges at all. It doesn't include port charges, it doesn't include the ground handlers, it doesn't include the tour operators, etc., etc., etc. So the industry's got lots of fingers into the different sectors that it feeds into once a ship docks over here.
Players in this industry are hoping the sector will get the go-ahead to resume activities later this year.
For the economic impact of the cruise season not opening in October could be huge, not just for the Western Cape or for the country as a whole. We've been engaging quite regularly with the Department of Transport just to gauge the progress and see what we can do to aid it.
MSC Cruises South Africa showcased its onboard inspection of vessels protocol to various authorities in the country. The company said while they got the thumbs up that their COVID protocol was above board, the approval for the industry to reopen never came. PEPRA agrees that the Transport Department indicated its satisfaction with safety measures in place at the Cape Town terminal. The Democratic Alliance in Parliament is also looking for answers.
Since lockdown and since government's lockdown regulations that have enforced people not to travel and not to take cruises, it's encountered a whole lot of job losses. People have lost their jobs on cruising, and despite the plan for the cruise industry to start cruising this year and having their act together, government has not been able to get their act together and be ensured that the cruises can start this year. And now adding the looting to Durban Port, which is now in a situation where it cannot receive cruises, it now is almost definite that it'll completely kill cruising for this year in the very least.
De Vryter says he will be addressing the issue through parliamentary processes. Attempts to get hold of transport officials were unsuccessful. Abra Barbia, SABC News.